This is a very basic proof of concept to accomplish what was requested, which was to be able to see the valuation of purchased products that you have not yet received. In other words, so receipts that you're waiting on, you want to know what is the valuation tied up that we are expecting to receive. In this demo, I think I only have 2 purchase orders with actual that are 2 receipts that are actually linked to purchase orders right now that are pending. Yeah, we got purchase order number 14 and purchase order number 13 with these items here. What I made was a special menu item called not yet received valuation, and it defaults to showing us anything we're waiting to receive, and if it is tied to a purchase order with a price related to it, it shows it over here on the side. And of course, you could use filters if you want to group it by date or group it by the specific vendor or the product, whatever. Grouping it by product might make sense. But the way I was able to do this is that it's looking at stock moves, and then for each stock move, I added a custom studio field that shows the purchase order value for that line. So it's not the overall PO, it's for that line based off of the quantity in there. And I set the view up so that by default it only shows me what's ready. Ready means that it hasn't been received yet. It's not done. It's not set. You're expecting it. That's what we mean by ready. And it's incoming. So that's what this favorite filter is. It's showing me what's ready and what's incoming. And that's that menu item right there. So to sum it up, basically, if you want to see what you haven't received yet and what the total is, you can have a special menu item to make it easy that just shows you in a very easy way the valuation of the lines that have not been received yet, and it looks back at the purchase order price specifically. So that's not pulling the product cost that is on the product form, it's pulling the actual line price and the line total from that purchase order amount. And this is just a basic proof of concept. There's a lot of other ways you could do this, and depending on how you handle partial amounts, you might want to do a small calculated field to subtract it or multiply it or anything like that. I don't know, but the data is there and we can easily do this. I built this in like 5 minutes with Studio, so hope that helps.